Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita. If first time, most welcome. Today I would like to discuss about few of my audience who are always curious to know how to build discipline. So I would like to tell you that discipline is nothing but good habits that you build. This is the habits which converted ancient man into the real man. So I would say that yes, the way for the development or the way for the growth is nothing but good habits. And good habits has the another name which is discipline. So first of all, whenever you are going to build some habit with some work, try to give yourself a why. Why is nothing but the solution of some problems. Like if I'm going to do this work on daily basis, which problems will be resolved? What are the problems which will be resolved and give a good motivation to me? Suppose if I'm going to evening walk, so I give myself a why I should go for this evening walk. So the first solution of the problem is that my health will be fit. If I will be fit, definitely my family, my work, my personal life, everything I can take care of. But if I'm not healthy, how can my objectives can be fulfilled? So that is the main thing. Another thing is that your motivation. When I go to evening walk, I feel like yes, I can feel the voice of the cuckoo when she sings. I can feel the air, the cool air which is coming at that time. And that really gives me a motivation to go daily for the walk, to be very honest. So this way we have to build our own motivation that we like. Again, there are two things. One thing is you like to do, which is really good for you. And another thing is which you like to do, but not good for you. Like, if you like to do smoking, definitely you like, but that is not good for your health on long term. So that kind of habits we should avoid. We should just build the habits which we really like. Also, that is good for long term. And it has the capability to resolve many problems which can occur or which is already exist in our life. So if you found it beneficial, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for your time.